How can I troubleshoot network connection issues on my Tracfone device?
Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to troubleshoot network connection issues on your Tracfone device. Connectivity issues can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a few steps that can help get you back online.
Are you in a service area?
Firstly, ensure that you're within your service area. Check Tracfone's coverage map if you're unsure. Remember, no carrier can provide 100% coverage, and there may be areas where the signal is weak or non-existent.
Have you restarted your device?
If you're in a service area but still having issues, try restarting your device. This can often solve minor connectivity problems by refreshing your network connection.
Is your device's software up to date?
Next, make sure your device's software is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity problems.
Have you checked your device's network settings?
If the problem persists, go to your device's network settings. For an Android device, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and finally, Mobile Network. Make sure your network mode is set to automatic.
Have you performed a factory reset?
If none of the above steps work, you might need to perform a factory reset. Please remember that this will erase all data on your device, so be sure to back up anything important before proceeding. And that's it. Those are some steps you can follow to troubleshoot network connection issues on your Tracfone device. Remember, if you're still having trouble, it may be time to reach out to Tracfone customer support for further help. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.